Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys some easy, healthy summer drink ideas. These are drinks that I'm absolutely loving and require just a few ingredients to make. So if you guys like drink ideas, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first recipe that I wanted to share with you guys is an infused water, or spa water as I like to call it. And this is something that is so easy. All I did was add some berries, raspberries, blueberries, lemons, and fresh mint leaves from the garden into some ice cold water. I definitely added some ice to keep it cold, but that's really it. This is something that is so easy to make early in the morning, and you can just keep sipping on it, adding water to it all day long. Alright, so if plain water isn't your thing, next up I have a strawberry mint sparkling water. And for this recipe, what I did was take a mortar and pestle to mash up some strawberries and mint leaves. And I actually like using the mortar and pestle better than a blender because you still kind of get some chunky pieces of strawberries and mint leaves. And I like that for the drink because I feel like it just flavors the sparkling water a little bit better. But all I did was add that to a glass, top it off with some sparkling water. Spindrift, guys, is currently my favorite. But that's it. It's nice, simple, and so refreshing. Alright guys, for my next recipe, it could not be simpler. It is my favorite watermelon basil drink. All you need are some chilled watermelon slices and some fresh basil leaves. All you're gonna do is just blend that all up until it's nice and completely juice-like. And that's it. Pour it in a glass, serve it with a straw, and it's so refreshing. I don't know, there is something about basil and watermelon that is one of my favorite summer combinations. Alright guys, I saved the best for last, my 3-ingredient strawberry banana smoothie. And all I did for this is use some strawberries that I froze myself and a very ripe banana. And then to that, I just added 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk and about a cup of water. Then I just blended that all up, and that was it. And you guys notice that I didn't add any extra sugar. That's because I used in-season strawberries from the farmer's market and then also a very ripe banana. And then if you just blend that up and make sure that one of your fruits is frozen, that way you get that nice consistency. But that's it. You don't need to add sugar if your fruits are ripe and in season. And just look at that pour, you guys. That is just so delicious and so refreshing, perfect for the summer. Alright guys, those are just some of my favorite current healthy summer drinks, and they all require such minimal ingredients that I'm sure you guys already have in your house and take not even 5 minutes to make. They are perfect for the summer, and they really do quench that thirst that you have, especially in the summer heat. And if you live in Seattle, you know exactly what I'm talking about right now. Anyways, if you guys love these easy, healthy summer drink ideas, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.